Okay, traders, welcome to your daily market outlook for Friday, the 26th of January. It's been a choppy week, a lot of news this week. I hope you all stayed safe. There's been some trades, over the last couple of days which were available. It's been very volatile though, so lower risk usually is the best option, and less trades. So we're still ranging on most of the USD pairs. Okay, probably it's because of the news that we've had this week, but we have options when we have a ranging market in terms of the GFX blueprint, and the safest options is always to trade liquidity points or manipulation points either side of price action. So currently on the Aussie, okay, I got the 30-minute time frame up because it's just a little bit clearer than some of the others, the lower time frame, 15-minute, 5-minute, whatever. So we've got 66.08, which would be the high here. So there would be a pool of liquidity just above here. Potentially we could see a liquidity grab up here and a move down, and then vice versa. If we were to come all the way back down here, we could see another liquidity grab to the low, and then a confirmation in terms of the strategy blueprint, and then we could come long into the range. New Zealand dollar, the Kiwi, pretty much the same. There's a pool of liquidity just under here. Excuse me, that was my phone. It just missed this morning. There was potentially a trade here, but I just want to see this low taken out, because there's going to be a lot more liquidity just under here. So yeah, trading inside the range, you can see how close the candles start printing. They're too close together. It's so choppy, we could go either way. So I'd take a short off here, or a long off 60.90 GBP USD. Again, we seem to be reacting quite well to this low here. There was a trade that we missed this morning. I had to take the kids to school this morning, so I wasn't available to look at the charts. So options that I'm looking at today, we've got this accumulation before we broke back into the range, pool of liquidity here, and we could see a breach or a liquidity grab just above here, 127.41, and then a confirmation down, and we take our 2-hour trade back into the range. Potentially we could, I'm not really that interested in this point here. This would be my maximum take profit if I was to come short, but again, it looks like we might get a trade set up above here. If we break this level by 2 15-minute candles, so if 2 15-minute candles open and close above the range, I will ignore this and potentially look for a backside trade, so a liquidity grab to the down and then back up. Maybe we could hit 127.82, but you have to read the price action, see what happens. So GBP JPY, nothing at all, and then NZD CAD. Again, we had a potential trade here, which it didn't quite break the manipulation point, 0.8206 by 3 pips or 3% ADR. The red level is a daily level, okay? So if we just look at the daily, we've got this daily level here. So we could reject here and move up. However, if we go back to the 30-minute, I'd be looking for another run down, take the liquidity here, maybe just under this level from Wednesday, and then a confirmation up, and then maybe we could get a 2-hour trade, something with a 10 pip stop loss, 20 pip take profit is very achievable. So set your alarms on these levels, and yeah, trade safe.